The another thing which is mentioned, he says that I participated. It means that in all centuries, Imam Ibn as Makki says in everyone, these Milad celebrations were a practice of the ulama and mashayikh and people of Makkah and Medina. And this continued till this century, till the present government took over. Then Haji Imdadullah Muhajir Makki, the great sheikh of the ulama of Hind, particularly ulama of the madrasa of Deoband. So this Imam Haji Imdadullah Muhajir Makki, the sheikh of Maulana Ashraf Ali Thanvi, the sheikh of Maulana Rashid Ahmad Gangohi, the sheikh of Maulana Muhammad Qasim Nanotwi, the founders of Deoband, he is sheikh of all of these ulama. So he has written in Shamaim Imdadiyya, page 94 and 87 and 88, and his book Faisala Haft Masala, Judgment on 7 Issues, page 9. Somebody asked him, what do you say about Milad celebration? I am quoting his word. Tamam Ahle Haramain karte hain. All people, ulama and mashayikh and muhaddiseen and muftiyan of Haramain, muftis, they celebrate Miladul Mustafa Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam. और इस कदर हमारे वास्ते हुज्जत काफी है. And this is a sufficient evidence for us on the permissibility of Milad al-Nabi celebration. Somebody asked, what is your practice? Sheikh Imdadullah al-Muhajir al-Makki, what is your practice and your aqidah? He says, फकीर का मशरब ये है कि मैं फिल मौलूद में शरीक होता हूँ. My view, my practice and my aqidah is that I participate in the mahfil of Milad al-Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and I get barakah from that, and I consider and believe that this is the source of spiritual blessing. So I myself arrange and manage the mahafil of Milad al-Nabi, and I do celebrate it on my own. Then Imam Qutbuddin al-Hanafi al-Makki, he has written a book, Al-I'lam bi-A'lam Baytillah al-Haram, great book on the history of Makkah, history on the Baytullah, history of Baytullah, Kaaba, a great authority. He writes in his book Al-I'lam, page 196. He writes that on every year 12th of Rabiul Awwal there is a great celebration of Milad in Makkah. The ulama and fuqaha and the muftis and governors and the authorities of all four fiqh, Hanafi, Maliki, Shafi and Hanbali, and qazis and judges and scholars and ulama, it is undisputed fact, indiscriminately, everybody comes here to participate the Milad celebrations on 12th of Rabiul Awwal. And there is a great celebration in Haram of Kaaba. He says after Isha prayer, there is a great procession, and led by the great scholars and muftis and ulama and muhaddiseen and the governors and the ministers of Arab. They go to Suqul Layl, the street of the Holy Prophet's birthplace, and then they go to the Mawlidun Nabi, the house of his birth, and they, all the people participating in the procession, they are holding the fanus and candles and the laltans and the lights in their hands, and all of them go to the Holy Prophet's place, and then there is gathering and celebration of Miladun Nabi, and speech is and delivered there. Then they come back to Haram of Kaaba again, and then they start the Mahfil of Milad, and they conclude this till Salatul Isha, and after Salatul Isha then there are another celebrations, and the people afterward they go back, and the people participate here from the whole of the Arab land, from Jeddah and everywhere. This is the authority of Meccan history. Second authority on Meccan history, Imam Muhammad bin Jarullah ibn Zahir. He has written a great book on Meccan history, Al-Jami'ul Latif, page 201. The same kind of details, history of Milad celebration in Mecca, and again the processions and celebrations and holding the lights and candles in their hands. This is the sunnah of the Meccan people. And and the judges and qazis and muftis and ulama and governors and the king himself and Amir of Makkah and Qazi of Shafi'iyya, all these are the organizers of Milad celebration. And you know, the great historian, Islamic historian Sheikh Muhammad Raza Misri, that was Sheikh Allama Rashid Raza al-Muhaddis al-Mufassir, who wrote a book on Milad celebration. Now I am quoting Sheikh Muhammad Raza Misri, the author of the book of Sirah Muhammadur Rasulullah, page 26 to 28. He also gives the references of Imam Abu Shama, Sheikh of Imam Nawawi, and Imam Sakhawi, and Imam Ibn Jawzi, and the kings of Islamic world, and of various cities and various countries, and references of celebrations of Milad. And till he says that in our country, Egypt, official celebrations everywhere in Islamic world. So what kind of jahala and ignorance of Islamic history, when the people during their speeches in London, in England, in America, in Europe, in Arab world, the people come and just misguide the youngsters, younger generation, saying there is nothing in Milad celebration, this is just a practice created from India and here and there and nothing else. So if this is bid'ah, so you should declare all of these authorities of Islam, they are bid'atis, they are mubtadi, then nobody is left. Whole of Islamic history is then bid'ah against Islam. Then again there is Mufti Inayatullah Kakorvi, a great Mufti, a great author of Tarikh Habib-e-Ilah. On page 15, the thing which I want to mention, he gives his own observance. Imam Ibn Makki gave his own, Ibn Battuta gave his own, Imam Ibn Jubair gave his own, 1000 years before the Milad celebration in Makkah, in Rihlat Ibn Jubair and Rihlat Ibn Battuta, other books. Mufti Inayatullah Kakorvi, he says that Haramain Sharifain और अक्सर बिलाद इस्लामिया में आदत है कि माह रबीउल अव्वल में महफिल मिलाद शरीफ मुनक्किद करते हैं और कसरत दरूद व सलाम, दावत, खाना, शेरीनी और मुसलमानों का इज्तिमा और मौलूद शरीफ पढ़ते हैं। देन ही सेज जनाब रसूलुल्लाह का 12वीं रबीउल अव्वल को मदीना मुनव्वरा में मस्जिद नबवी में महफिल मिलाद होती है। He writes his own observance. I am not giving his authority, just as an historian. He mentions, he participates, he says, on 12th of Rabiul Awwal, there are Milad celebrations in Masjid al-Nabawi in Medina Tayyibah. So I gave you the authorities of the historians of Makkah, Milad celebrations in Haram of Kaaba and Makkah, and Milad celebrations in Holy Prophet's Mosque in Medina Tayyibah. The same Mufti Muhammad Mazharullah Dehlvi, none of these is Barelvi alim. None of these. Then Imam Sakhawi, Mullah Ali Qari mentions in his book Al-Mawridur Ravi about Imam Sakhawi, says that Amma Ahlu Makkah in his period, Ma'adanul Khair wal Barakah, فَيَتَوَجَّهُونَ إِلَى الْمَكَانِ الْمُتَوَاتَرِ بَيْنَ النَّاسِ أَنَّهُ مَحَلُّ مَوْلِدِهِ وَهُوَ فِي سُوقِ اللَّيْلِ رجاء بلوغ كل منهم بذلك المقصد ويزيد اهتمام وكذا وكذا وكذا. وسيما Sharif Sahib al-Hijaz and ulama and scholars, then they said, then they distribute the food and the sweets and all things, and great celebration in Makkah. Imam Sakhawi saying 900 years before. And Mullah Ali Qari has quoted the reference of Makkah celebration of Milad, Meccan celebration of Milad. Al-Mawlidur Rabi, Mawridur Ravi, page 19, written by Mullah Ali Qari, reference of Imam Sakhawi. And Yuzaru Mawlidun Nabi al-Makani fi al-Layla al-Thani Ashara fi kulli amin fayajtamu al-fuqaha wal-a'yan ala nizam al-Masjid al-Haram wal-Quzat al-Arba'atu bi Makkah al-Musharrafa ba'da salat al-Maghrib bi-shumu' al-kasira wal-furu'at wal-fawanis wal-mashail وجميع المشايخ مع طوائفهم بالأعلام الكثيرة يخرجون من المسجد مسجد الحرام الكعبة إلى سوق الليل ويمشون فيه إلى محل مولده الشريف بازدحام كثير ويخطب فيه شخص ويدعو للسلطنة الشريفة ثم يعودون إلى المسجد الحرام ويجلسون صفوفا في وسط المسجد من جهة الباب الشريف. And in Jami al-Latif, which I mentioned, they say جرت العادة بمكة ليلة الثاني عشر من ربيع الأول كل عام أن قاضي مكة الشافعي This is the common practice and a coming continuous practice of Makkah of about Milad celebrations on 12th of Rabiul Awwal. And then he mentions again, Walam yazal muluku Misr khuddamul haramain sharifain. Then they give the haramain sharifain. Then kayfa kana mulukul Andalus ya'tafiluna bil Mawlid. Now Milad celebrations in Andalusia, Cordoba and Granada and Spain, Islamic Spain. This is not Barelvi Spain. This is not Barelvi Misr. This is not Barelvi Andalus. Not Barelvi Makkah. Not Barelvi Medina. Not Barelvi Syria. What kind of joke the people do with Islam and Islamic history? Just creating fitna and doubts in the minds of younger generation who have no access, direct access to the Islamic source and Arabic source. Either they tell lie or they are unaware of the facts. They never have gone to the books. They are jahil.